Introduction. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on options trading. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of options or an experienced trader aiming to enhance your skills, this video is tailored for you. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies, empowering you to navigate the options market with confidence. Let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding the basics. In the first section, we'll break down the fundamentals of options trading. We'll explore what options are, how they work, and the key terminology you need to know. By the end of this section, you'll have a solid foundation to build upon. Section 2. Getting started. Now that you grasp the basics, it's time to get started. We'll guide you through the process of opening an options trading account, choosing the right broker, and understanding the various trading platforms available. This section is crucial for beginners aiming to take their first steps in the options market. Section 3. Basic options strategies. Next, we'll delve into some basic option strategies that are perfect for beginners. You'll learn about buying calls and puts, covered calls, and protective puts. We'll explain the risk and reward associated with each strategy, helping you make informed decisions. Section 4. Advanced options strategies. As we progress, we'll explore advanced options trading strategies. This includes spreads, straddles, and iron condors. We'll provide in-depth insights into when and how to use these strategies, allowing you to elevate your trading game. Section 5. Risk management. No options trading guide is complete without a thorough discussion on risk management. We'll share essential tips on how to protect your capital, set stop-loss orders, and manage risk effectively. This knowledge is crucial for traders at all levels. Conclusion. By the end of this video, you'll have a well-rounded understanding of options trading, from the basics to advanced strategies. Remember, successful trading requires continuous learning and adaptation. So, stay curious, stay informed, and happy trading.